Hello guys, good morning to all. How are you all? Guys, today I have a video for you about ATA, which is related to the Ethin Network. Let's discuss ATA and Atex. If we talk about Atex, it is an exchange token and its withdrawal has started. We'll also talk about the updates regarding ATA withdrawals along with other small updates because now is the time to earn profits. Ethin Network, a profitable platform. Ethin Network has been a great platform offering excellent profits so far. We are buying and selling ATA in many places such as on P2P platforms. Currently, the price on P2P platforms is 0.46. However, if we look at the Ethin Network exchange, the price there is 0.46, which means a 10x profit. Challenges in transferring and new updates. However, you cannot withdraw or transfer it to another platform yet, but here's some new information for you. About the Atex token. Atex is the native token of the exchange. The exchange has been launched, meaning you can now trade on it. But transfers are not allowed yet. Recently, the withdrawal option for Atex has been introduced, allowing you to transfer it to the Hexo Wallet. Setting up Hexo Wallet. If you haven't set up the Hexo Wallet, which operates on the Ethin Network blockchain, you can refer to a video tutorial for step-by-step guidance. Once installed, you can transfer your tokens to the Hexo Wallet. However, there is a vesting cap of 15 tokens per transfer. For example, I have 6,800 Atex tokens, and the vesting cap allows me to transfer only 15 tokens at a time. Here's how you can transfer your tokens to the Hexo Wallet. Open the Ethin Network app and navigate to the withdrawal section. Enter the Hexo Wallet address and complete the process using the authenticator and OTP. Ensure you do this quickly as the authenticator and OTP have time limits. Updates on ATA token. The milestone price for ATA has been set at $5. Currently, it is trading at 0.46, which is close to half a dollar. The vesting mechanism for ATA tokens is also planned. If you hold ATA on P2P platforms, you'll receive 15 tokens for trading. Mainnet launch and withdrawal timeline. The mainnet for ATA will be launched on March 15th, and withdrawals will be possible after the TGE token generation event in the last week of March. Post-launch, you'll be able to buy, sell, and withdraw ATA tokens with vesting percentages. Price prediction. The total supply of ATA is 2.1 billion with 15 million active users. However, many users are inactive, so the actual number of active participants will be lower. As a result, the price may shoot up due to limited availability. The 5 milestone could be achievable, but the launch price is expected to range between $2 to $4. Key points to remember. Vesting mechanism. Tokens will be released gradually, and you'll continue receiving updates. Avoid scammers. Beware of any scams. Follow updates only through authentic channels. Profit potential. Even with 8 tokens initially, the price rise could bring significant profits. Share your thoughts in the comments about how many tokens you have mined and how many you'll be able to withdraw. I'll keep you updated with further information. See you in the next video with even more exciting knowledge and profit opportunities. Thank you so much. Guys,